In this video, we will study about croissant, conduction oven, and also chemical and physical changes of croissant when baking it in conduction oven. Basically, croissants are included in the puff pastry group because croissants are made by the process of folding the dough repeatedly and rolling it, so that it will form a multiplied texture of the dough with a soft and flaky final product.
There are three principal modes of heat transfer that are encountered during baking, which are by conduction, convection, and radiation. Heat transfer by conduction occurs in solid bodies and is transmitted directly through molecules. Simply put, conduction is the heat transfer from one part of object to another part of the same object. The concept is that when something hot touches something cool, the cool object will heat up. Heat transfer by convection occurs due to the movement of particles either by density gradient set up by temperature difference or by force movement of particles by external means such as fan. Transfer of energy by electromagnetic wave is known as radiation. Radiant energy is transmitted through electromagnetic wave and it will be released after impacting a contact surface and then converting it into heat.
Physical and chemical changes includes caramelization, Maillard reaction, starches gelatinization, proteins denaturation, water movement, cell structure formation, and enzyme activity. Caramelization is the browning of sugar occur as it is exposed to a temperature. As the process take place, volatile chemical break free producing the characteristic of caramel flavor. Maillard reaction known as browning. It involved with the reducing sugar and amino acids. The reaction of both of them consists of 3 stages.
Next, during gelatinization, the viscoelastic properties of dough are altered with fluidity as the temperature hit the range 50 to 65 degrees Celsius.
The next action during baking a croissant is protein denaturation, where the normal protein, which is folded protein from under physiological condition, turn into denatured protein where the temperature reaches 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. While during first few minutes of baking, average moisture saturation condition, where the water contained in the liquid ingredients will turn to steam and evaporate. This steam will be a useful leavener. Then, during cell structure formation, steam formed by evaporation allow full advancement to occur and lead to a croissant with higher volume and lighter structure. A flaky crust is formed as water evaporates at the surface and dry. There also enzyme activity occur during baking process. The amylase break down the starch structure and cause the dough to become more fluid, promoting dough extension. Then enzyme will inactivate due to the high baking temperature.